Hi guys, welcome to my channel FastFeed Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Ekpang Nkukwo, a special delicacy made of cocoyam and water yam. As you can see, I have my water yam and cocoyam with me for this Ekpang Nkukwo. When I'm done peeling my water yam and cocoyam, I have to wash it very well. Ready for my filter to grate it. So when I'm done, I have to mix it very well. Then I had my vegetable leaf with me to tie the water yam and cocoyam. When I'm done, I have to cook it on the fire. I have my periwinkle, well cut and washed. I added it to the Ekpang Nkukwo. Added my salt and my seasoning cube. And my blended crayfish and pepper. I added dry fish. And my palm oil. So I added with water. So I cover the pot to cook. So you can see how delicious looking my Ekpang Nkukwo is. So I have to stir it very well to make sure all those ingredients mix very well. So you can see my Ekpang Nkukwo is ready to eat. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video. Bye.